Welcome back to 1011 News at Noon. Joining us now is Lee Heffelbauer. She is the co-chair of Project Connect Lincoln. Lee, thank you very much for being here.
Thank you.
Could you explain to our viewers, even though I know this is the 14th year of your wonderful event, if they're not familiar, could you explain what Connect Lincoln is?
Sure. Project Connect is a one-day, one-stop health and human services fair for people who are experiencing homelessness or at risk of homelessness. Maybe they have a lower income and just need some essential services. Okay. We want to bring those all together in one place for everybody so that they can get them very easily. It's really difficult to go around to different agencies and try to get your needs met, especially if you don't have transportation. So bring it together in one spot at the arena it just makes it so much simpler for people to meet those basic needs.
Yeah, I was kind of looking at the list there. There was, pet care, dental care, legal advice, all sorts of things. Are there other things I'm sure that I missed there?
Well, we have a special area for veterans, but
okay.
The VA is hosting their stand down event along with us. Everybody gets a hot meal when they come in. They get haircuts. As you said, we have a wide variety of medical care, behavioral health care. You can get connected to housing supports, apply for jobs. Bike repairs also, if you have somebody who brings their bike. A lot of people, that's their main form of transportation. So we want to be sure that whatever their basic needs are that helps them continue to move forward in their lives, that we can provide that for them really simply.
Wonderful. And yes, right now you're seeing video of last year's event, so this is the 14th year. How many folks did you have attend last year?
We usually have right around 400.
Okay.
We've done a great deal of outreach, and we know that there's a lot of people really struggling, particularly in the last year or so, so we're expecting that number to be even higher this year.
Okay. Do you feel like the amount of people that you have come to this event, does that show what homelessness looks like here in our capital city, or what is your opinion of that?
I think there's that image of homelessness being like maybe a single guy on the streets who maybe has some struggles, and that's not necessarily the face of homelessness. Most people, in fact, who are experiencing homelessness are working. They have jobs, their kids are going to school, so it's not really visible. A lot of people are doubled up with family or friends too, in addition to staying at shelters. So not everybody that you would know is homeless looks like what you would typically think. Yeah. So we want to have outreach to all of those folks.
Okay, and if viewers are watching today and want to help out, how can they do that?
You can donate at lincolnhomelesscoalition.org. Okay. We also have volunteers that come down and help guide our guests through the event, and if people are still wanting to volunteer, we're taking sign-ups.
Wonderful. Well, Lee, thank you very much for being here. Hope the event goes well.
Thank you.
Yes, and we will be right back with a final check of Brandon's forecast after the break.